How to contact Shein about missing items. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about contacting the Shein about a missing item. So here's a simple step-by-step guide. First of all, you have to open your Play Store and search for Shein application. If you have not installed it on your mobile device, simply go ahead and install it. And if you see an update button instead of open button right over here that is highlighted in blue color, simply tap on it to update it to the latest version available. Now come back and launch the application. Once you do that, make sure that you're also logged in with your specific account. Now once you're in the home page, click on the Me icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. And here you will see the option of customer service that is in the More Services section. The initial option, simply tap on it. Wait for the page to load. Click on the customer service that is highlighted in black color. And here simply type in your message and describe the issue that you're facing with your package, specifically that it's missing or not delivered. So you can then chat with a live customer service representative who will eventually assist you with your issue. They will likely ask for your order number and package details, and that's how you can reach Shein's customer service regarding your missing item. So this was all about it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.